Hey there, this is Dani Cloutier coming to you from Ontario, Canada. And today I am making a video to show you how easy it is to create your own funnel within My Lead System Pro. I'm already logged in here to my site and I'm in the Funnelizer. Now, for first timers, you got to watch these videos. And the cool thing about it is when I toggle here, all these videos, check it out. 4 minutes, 7.5 minutes. I think that's the longest one. Oh, well, I lied. Creating your first funnel, 9.25 minutes. And hosting it with your own domain. And then there's timers for scarcity and deadlines, webinars on air and GoToWebinar integration, labels and tracking. That is the longest one. I actually have not watched that one yet. And then you can also, there's a short little one here to create a phone field in Aweber if you want to collect phone numbers. So all the information you need to create a funnel is right there. So I'm just going to give you a quick little tour. Hitting that will open up my funnel page. As you can see, I have a few of them. You're allowed to have 25. Only 10 of them can be active though. As you can see, my conversion rate isn't great here. I haven't been really marketing these lately, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this one. This is leads, and I'll just show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what my leads funnel looks like. I chose a nice easy background. I took all of this off of the this is a system campaign within MLSP for the 10-day test drive that gives you full mastery member access. I got all of this copy right from the system campaign itself. So you don't have to write any of this. You don't have to be a genius. Okay, so running. What I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this. When you open up a new one, well, actually, you know what I'll do is I'll go back here, close the editor, and I'll just create a new one. Okay, we'll name it Tester. And Tester, and I'll just delete this later. Create a new funnel, duplicate existing funnels. So I'm going to create a new funnel right here. So this brings you to the page with all the templates on it. Okay, very, very simple. What you can do is drop this down and go to opt-in, thank you pages, sales pages, webinar registration pages, and miscellaneous. These are all options that are available to you once you're in the Funnelizer. Like, look at all these boxes that you could choose. There's so many. So I'm just going to go with simple opt-ins. And where's that one that was there? Well, there's the one that I just showed you. I'll show you the preview. This is what it looks like. Pretty simple. You can edit absolutely every single box in here. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so I've chosen that. And now I need to give it a name. We're, again, naming this Tester. We're going to put Tester here. Okay, save page and edit is what you want to hit next. You can save the page, just save the page, but why would you want to do that? You don't want to leave the information in there that's in there. You want to customize it to yourself. So if I want to change, let me just move my screen over a little bit. There we go. If I want to change this one, for example, first of all, I can change the background image if I want to by hitting this little button here. I close it and there's no background image. I open the eye and there's the background image. These are like little eyeballs here. This is a drop down. These are all drop downs for each section. So the content section, if I turn that off, it pulls the whole thing away. Okay? You don't want to do that, obviously. This is the subheadline right here, I believe. Turn that off and it disappears. Bring it back. It goes on. Now, if you want to change this, we'll just, there's nothing really here to change. This is an excellent opt-in. But I can change the font size. I can make it tiny or just highlight it, or I can make it huge. Okay, there's extra large. And I believe it, there we go. It was on large. You can, now I still have it highlighted. I can change the background color to make it so that this is got a black background with, say, white font. You know, I can do all sorts of things. I don't want any background on there, so I'm just going to choose none. I'm going to change this back to, I don't know what it was. Let's try red. I think it was, we'll try black. It looks nice in the black. So every single section is workable. You can edit every single part of it. I'm going to make this unbold. It was bolded. I can italicize it. I can underline it. I'm not going to do any of that. I don't know why there's a strike through, but anyways, I guess you could use it for lowering your price. So all of these things are, see, if you just hit different buttons, you can remove anything you want to remove. Everything is completely editable. Now you go down here, and now we jump over to the other side of the page. I'm just going to pull this over a little bit so you can see. And anytime you're in here, you know, you can always go to any of your other settings. I'll show you later on another video how you set that up. But right now, all I'm putting in here is words. I'm not putting in a video. I'm not putting in my own images or anything like that. So over here on the left, I've done all this editing for here. I've done it for here. Now, when we come over to here, this is your form, okay? You can show it or you can hide it, okay? These are your form details. Edit form fields. You can show your labels next to your forms, or you can show your placeholders within your forms. So see, this goes away when I click this. Okay, so show your placeholders. As far as the button, see, it says, yes, give me lifetime access. You can change that up. We'll just remove lifetime. Yes, give me access. Your information is safe with us. We hate spam. So we want to leave that there too. We can hide it again if we want to. Here it says 2014. We want to change that to 2016. And it is automatically changed. Again, you can change where your information is. You can justify it, center it, or to the right, to the left. You can add a link in here. Whatever you want to do, you can do. Okay? It's totally yours to do. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, let's see if I've gotten everything. I've gotten you. Okay, no, actually I haven't. The integrations are something that are really important. Your integrations are something that I've already set up with MLSP. So you can, I'm with Aweber, so I go Aweber and it brings up all of my lists. Okay, so we're going to put this one in Dani's Marketing Tips newsletter. That's what I want people to come into when they enter their information into this opt-in page. I want them to be on my newsletter. So that's all done. It's ready to go. Now, let me just go back to that for a minute. You can refresh. If you've added newsletters, I just happened to add this last night. Last night when I was doing this, I didn't have the Healthy Marketer, and it wasn't showing on here. And actually, neither was Attitude of Gratitude, which was another one of my newsletters, was because I hadn't come in here and made a new page for them yet. So when I did come and do that, I just hit this refresh and it automatically added those because I had already put them into my Aweber. Now you can also integrate this into your MLSP autoresponder if that's what you want to do. We'll just leave it at MLSP for now. That'll be fine. So this is actions. Now you can have a pop-up alert message, or you can have a go to URL and you have to enter your URL here, or you can have go to a funnel page. Now you have to select a funnel page here. I haven't made a funnel page. I have made only opt-in pages so far. I have not gotten a product where I believe I need to do something like that. So what you want to do here is I go to URL. So this is a system campaign. So what I did was I go back into my systems. I choose a system. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. One of my videos just started automatically there. I didn't mean for that to happen. Okay. So I'm going to go into my system campaigns and I'm going to choose, I'm going to close this and I'm going to choose, say, Ray Higdon. I'm going to choose the thank you page. You select the direct thank you page link, copy, go back to the funnel. This is the URL. See where I wanted them to go to a particular URL? So once they put their name and their email address in there and they hit this button, give me access, it's going to go directly to the top 10 prospectingtrips.com, the special page. Okay. Now the other thing is the button appearance. I've already showed you how you can change the color, the background color, the text color, the border color. I am just leaving this the way it is. Okay, I'm going to save all my changes. Funnel page was successfully saved. Okay, I'm going to publish my changes. Okay, and now I'm going to do a preview. So this is what that particular opt-in page looks like. Let's just do this. This is an email that I use for testing. Give me access. Oh, well, that's silly me. It won't work on here. This is just the preview. Okay, let me show you how it goes. Get URL. This is my URL. Here is my funnel URL. Now I'm going to go here and do a paste and go. Oh no, it's not found. Why? Because I haven't actually published it yet. So now I can't publish this until I start a variation. Okay. That is variation number 1, and what that means is I can make many variations of this particular opt-in page. I can change the color of the button. I can change one thing to do your testing. Now I can hit publish. Now I am live. Now I can grab my URL. There's my URL. Copy that, and now I'm going to get what I want. There's my opt-in page. Really, really simple. Everything is doable in here by anybody who has a computer. If you can't get this, just go back to the Funnelizer videos and run through them. They're really simple. They show you everything exactly how to do this. It's so easy and it is so worth it to be able to make your own funnels. These are totally customizable. You can make them to your business. These do not have to be MLSP system campaigns. These are strictly for, well, they're not strictly for, they're for anything. They're for the system campaigns, but they're also for anything, any product that you want to sell. It's all right here. So contact me if you got some value out of this and or share it. And if you're interested in using the Funnelizer, I can get you hooked up in MLSP. It's a great way to get your opportunity out there, no matter what your opportunity is. So that's it for today. Bye for now.